Good morning from Universal Studios. Big decision today. Do we go left as we did yesterday, or do we go right? Yesterday was a great day, but motion sickness got the better of me for sure after some of those rides. If you're subject to any kind of motion sickness, do not go on these rides. They are unbelievably fantastic, but they'll have you throwing up real quick. So there's Joanne waiting patiently for me to make a decision whether we go right or left. So Universal Islands, Universal Studios, well, I think we'll go right today because we went left yesterday. That makes sense, and we'll try and pick up on some of those rides that we missed yesterday, and definitely not go on any of the motion sickness rides. It's guaranteed to have you calling on your long lost cousin Huey. Anyway, we'll sign off for the moment. We'll catch up later. Bye for now.
Find a compartment.
Could use a snack. Where's the food tray? Marty, can't you conjure up some pumpkin pasties?
Wrong. Food is the first of the 5 principal exceptions to Gamp's law of elemental transfiguration.
Do you know what she's talking about?